I'm a little bit wet from the rain.
How was it?
Yeah, it was very good, very adventurous. All the forest, all the mud, all the rain, got everything.
What you gonna do now?
Now probably I'll need to have a shower, have something to eat, and have fun. So today is a new day. Supposed to be going to do a long bike ride, but it was raining since morning. It was very heavy rain, and now again the sky is kind of clear, so we're gonna go on a shorter ride. I'm not too sure where, but we'll try to see some interesting places. Hello. There's a couple dogs like a bear. Ciao ciao. So today I'll be using an electric bike as well, but a different one. So here it is. So I'll be using the white one, and Peter will be going with his super powerful electric bike. So this bike is Essence. What's the brand? I'm not sure what's the brand. Shimano battery, disc brakes, it's good. Yeah, pretty good bike. I have softer seat. I don't have today cycling clothes, so that will be useful. Yeah, a couple gears there, so I'll see how it goes with this bike. So hopefully today we're gonna get to go to see the big trucks. That'll be interesting. So we're not too far away from there. So we are here in the mining place. That's very interesting how that works. So they're mining sand, gravel. That's pretty cool. Old trucks. There's a big truck there. One wheel is as tall as me. Możemy. So this is a big machine here. The wheels, I think, so probably 2 meters tall. So you need to climb with a ladder into it, but obviously I won't do that. As you can see from outside, exterior, my pink helmet. That's a nice view. So that's where all the digging happening. Pretty impressive. Wow. Here we are. So we went down, all the way down to the pit. So that's the main digging place. Something you don't see every day, you can't see every day. So what I noticed with this electric bike, it's quite hard to pick up speed on a downhill. So with non-electric bike it's much easier to go faster downhill, and here for some reason it seems to limit the speed. So we're getting into the forest. Beautiful. So after the rain it's quite muddy here. Gotta be careful. There's a private, I think so, deer, not a farm, how we call it. They're growing deers for a restaurant. All you can hear is a bird. Oh, it's difficult to ride in these terrains with one hand. There far away you can see the deers. There we go, zoomed in. You can see deers up there. A couple of them. Co je to?
Ceník.
Ceník.
Ceník. Vymění na zimu, rozje.
Aha. So we're still cycling in Lostivica forest. Forest in Czech language is les. Yeah, it's very nice here. So it's quite a few routes you can go around up here. It's nice nature. So we came up this hill. There's complete off-road here. There's no path. So we'll see if we can go through the forest. Adventures continues. Okay, so we went through the forest after all. Little path here that was very overgrown, so we had to duck under the branches, and yeah, it was a good adventure. It was fun. Something. And there are potatoes, growing potatoes. Potatoes is brambori, zimaki. Yeah. Hörst tam? Horses here. And I think it looks like it's gonna be raining. I hope we won't get caught into that. So behind us is clear. Keep going, it's raining. So hope we won't get wet. Again, older village. Interesting church. My pink helmet. This is an interesting village as well. It's a view of
Mark.
Mak. Mak. Mm-hmm. So this is a huge poppy seed field. Never seen anything like that. So we got caught after all in the rain. It was raining, now we're hiding under the tree. So it's slowly stopping down, and then we're gonna carry on riding. Hopefully it won't catch us again. By the way, this is again a rail. We just saw a train pass by. It's quite old school trains up here. It's very interesting also to see. Hopefully I'll catch it on the camera. The sound of the heavy rain. We're in a train station, hiding again. So I have time now while I'm waiting here in the rain to talk about e-bikes. So I tried the red one first. It's quite powerful. I think that's 900 watts. Then I tried this one. I think it's 400 watts. So there is a bit of difference in these two bikes in the power and the range they can do. The first one there, the red one, I think is a bit stronger built. It has better suspension, more gears to switch. So that's a better bike. And then I was riding a normal MTB mountain bike, non-electric, a couple days ago. So comparing when to use which bike, I think for fitness wise, obviously it's better. Depends what age group you are. I think the non-electric bike is good if you want to improve your power and fitness and improve your bike cycling skills. But if your aim is to just do some active sightseeing, so e-bike probably is a better idea. So you are kind of staying active in the same time, and you can go longer distances without getting too tired. So you can see more things and focus on the views rather than pedaling and trying to control your breath. Yeah, so ideally it would be nice to have both options to cycle. But my main option, I think, so for myself would be a normal mountain bike, just because I like to keep my fitness levels up higher, the higher standard. But yeah, that's about it. So we are on the way back. There's some drama. The bike power doesn't work anymore. So the bike is not that light, and it's mainly up the hill ride. So not the best timing for the battery to fail. And it is still raining, as you can see. But we are, I think so, probably 10 minutes away to get back. There's a nice big lake over there. I think that's a drinking water lake for all the local towns and villages. So they're taking it from there, filtering it and supplying it. Okay, the sky is clearing out, which is pretty good. Power's back on. Lovely. Still a little bit of rain, but it's just not that much. But that. So we're not too far from Las Vica now. It was definitely an adventurous ride. There we go. It's all very rural area. The old school looks very old. Konita. And here, first time when I came, it was winter. We were driving here with a car. That felt quite dangerous to go down this road. It's like a zigzag. There we go, we are back in Vlastiovica. So we're gonna go down there, through the bridge, and oh, this is a nice cliff. There we go. So go on speed 37 kilometers an hour and have to film with one hand. So I'm gonna film the bridge and then I'll need to see you on our next video. There we go. It's a bridge and a little river. Some people kayaking there. Okay guys, I'll see you on the next video.